Hello, in this lecture, I will discuss level order traversal. In level order traversal, there is a binary tree, and this is the root node, and at the every level, this is 0th level, this is 1 level, and this is 2 level. At the first level, we will print 1, and then we will traverse 2 and 3, then traverse 4, 5, 6, and 7. So at the level, there are at each level we will traverse those nodes. So let's see how this level order traversal actually works. Before that, we will create a result node, a result array, and there is also be a queue. At the initially we will push this root at the queue, and so for that we will take a current node, current level, which will be 0, and then we will create a loop while queue isn't empty. We will also check if length of queue and we also push the result. Here we'll also put the value at the level wise, so that also like adjacents means first one, then it will store 2 and 3, then it will store 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is one list. In list there will be a list. Then check we will follow for int I is equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. Means we will traverse according to the length, and then we will and then we pop the means we put store the font value of q at the node, and then we pop out from q, and then in result we at every level we will store the level wise note. Then after that we will also check if note if if note applet is not null, then we will push the left value in queue. And then also check if note of right queue dot push then after that we one after after that one full traversal, then current level will be increased by 1. Then request, and then in result it will go 1, and then we will go to after it will also pop out, and current will be at 0th level, so current will be now 1. Then before current 1 there will be 2 and 3, because we first push the root left 2 and then root right of root will be push, which is 3, and then it will go to current 1, and then first 0, then will be 1, and now queue isn't empty, so it will pop out, and it will check the length. Now length of queue is 2, so according to length it will traverse, so it will 2, first 2 will be go to result, and 2 will be pop out, and then it will store the value of 2, left of 2, so 4, and right of 2 will be 5, and then also it will pop out from 2, and then it will first it will 3, and then it will pop out, and then it will store the 6 and 7, because left of 3 is 6 and right of 3 is 7. So after that it will also increase the current by 1, and then 4 will be stored and pop out, and it will check according to pseudocode. Let's first it goes to it stored in result, Then it will check if the node left is not equal to null. So but here node is null, so it will do nothing. Also node of right is null, so it will do nothing. And so when there will be empty, so it will go to here and 5 will be stored. Also, sorry, 5 will be stored and pop out from here, pop out from queue, and then 6 will go store and pop out from queue, and 7 will store and pop out from queue. And after that it will, after that there is nothing, so queue is empty, so it will go out from while loop, and this will be our result. This will be first level, and this will be our second level. This is first level, this is second level, or this is third level. If we take the 0th index, so it will be 0, it will be 1, and this will be 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So now let's go to in practical, and now include now first create a class. Name of the class is node, and there will be public in data node of left and right, and then constructor in data pass the value, and initially left and right is null. Now create the level order. In level order, first start from the root. In root we will check also base case. If root is equal to null, then return nothing. And then create a queue, and also create a list for storing result. At start, post the root value, then current level will be 0 initially, and check while the queue isn't empty. Calculate the length of the queue, and then push back the result, and result will push back nothing at initially. After checking the for loop int I is equal to 0 to less than size of queue, um, post the font value in node, and then pop out from queue and add current level, post the value of the node data, and then if node of left is not equal to null, and then post the queue, to left, and then check if the right node isn't null, and you dot post right, and then after finishing the every level, increase the current level with the 1. This is our level order code, and after that return the result. Sorry, current level will be here because after after completing the for loop, the level will be increased. So now complete the main function. Now call now there will be call factor auto integer of level, means every level of level order where root will be passed, and call this. So for int value of level and count the value. This is our main function code. So if you like, then you should remember this. And then cout int for India. Now let's run this code. Now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our output according to level order. So thanks for watching this. If you any doubt, then comment in my comment section. So thank you.